Chapter 5. Adjectives. Let's warm up, initiative and self-direction. Identify adjectives and circle them. Bird, ugly, money, interesting, beautiful, clever, boy, dog, big, dad, green, tiny, teen, tasty, umbrella, short, rain, red, tall, Ram. Let's observe analytical skills. A. Jo Woo-ban is a Korean citizen. B. Everybody goes to your class. C. Which color do you like the most? What do you observe? Let's learn conceptual learning. The colored words are adjectives because they tell us about the nouns. Let's learn more about the adjectives. There are 8 kinds of adjectives. 1. Adjectives of quality tell us about the kind of a person or a thing. Examples: A. Lotus is a beautiful flower. B. Akbar was a good and wise emperor. 2. Adjectives of quantity tell us how much of a thing is intended. Examples: A. He has sufficient money. B. There is much water in the jug. 3. Adjectives of number show how many persons or things there are, or in what order any of them stands. Examples: A. Several villagers came to see the wild elephants. B. Most men have to work hard for their living. C. The first boy won the prize. 4. Possessive adjectives are used with nouns to show possession. Example: your pen, my book, his shoes, its tail, her purse. 5. Demonstrative adjectives point out which persons or things are meant. Examples: A certain boy helped her. B. Such boys are dangerous. 6. Interrogative adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. Examples: A. Which color do you like? B. Which train goes to Delhi? 7. Distributive adjectives. These adjectives refer to each one of a number. They are each, every, either and neither. Examples: A. Each boy must take his turn. B. Every man must do his duty. 8. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns. Examples: American products, French wines, Indian tea, Japanese goods. Adjectives can be used both attributively and predicatively. Attributive use, predicative use. A. City of Joy is an interesting novel. A. This novel is interesting. B. These are papayas with ripe taste. B. These papayas are ripe. Formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adjective. The comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives are formed from the positive degree of adjectives. There are certain rules to be followed in the formation of the comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. For most of the adjectives, we add er to form the comparative degree and est to form the superlative degree. For example, positive, comparative, superlative: tough, tougher, toughest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Small, smaller, smallest. Sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Quick, quicker, quickest. long, longer, longest. Warm, warmer, warmest. For adjectives that end with a vowel plus single consonant, we repeat the consonant and then add er to form the comparative degree and est to form the superlative degree. For example, positive, comparative, superlative. Fat, fatter, fattest, thin, thinner, thinnest, red, redder, reddest, big, bigger, biggest, wet, wetter, wettest, sad, sadder, saddest. For adjectives that have two or more syllables, we add the word more before them to form the comparative degree and most before them to form the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative, important, more important, most important, difficult, more difficult, most difficult, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, careful, more careful, most careful, peaceful, more peaceful, most peaceful, pleasant, more pleasant, most pleasant, interesting, more interesting, most interesting, famous, more famous, most famous. For adjectives that have two syllables and end with y, we replace the y with ier to form the comparative degree and iest to form the superlative degree. For example, positive, comparative, superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. Angry, angrier, angriest. Busy, busier, busiest. Early, earlier, earliest. Greedy, greedier, greediest. Easy, easier, easiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Tiny, tinier, tiniest. Costly, costlier, costliest. There are no set rules to form the comparative and superlative degrees of some adjectives. Here are some of them. Positive, comparative, superlative. Good, better, best. Little, less, least. Much, many, more. Most, far, farther, farthest. Bad, worst, worst. Order of adjectives. Sometimes we use more than one adjective to describe a noun. However, we do not use these adjectives randomly. We use a standard order in which the adjectives must follow. Look at this flowchart to understand the order of adjectives. 1. Number. For example, 5, 12. 2. Quality or opinion. For example, beautiful, rough. 3. Size. For example, huge, tiny. 4. Age. For example, new, young. 5. Shape. For example, round, rectangular. 6. Color. For example, red, green. 7. Nationality or origin. For example, Irish rural. 8. Material. For example, cotton, wooden. 9. Purpose. For example, domestic, sports. Read the following examples. A. I saw a big fat red panda in the zoo. B. She bought 3 beautiful Turkish carpets. C. Nafisa keeps of small square silk handkerchief in her purse. So we see that the order of adjectives is adjective of number, quality or opinion, size, age, shape, color, nationality or origin, material, purpose.